need to clean up your smartphone. A lot of companies give a lot of pre-installed apps that you don't need. Sometimes these apps work in the background. Some of them collect unnecessary data. Let's see how to delete all of them. First, you need to open up your device's settings, tap About Phone. If you have any Android phone other than Xiaomi, you need to tap build number 7 times. But if you have Xiaomi phone, you need to tap MIUI version several times. This will enable developer options. Mine are already enabled. Return to your main settings page, scroll down, go to additional settings, go to developer options. So you need to enable 2 options here. First, USB debugging. And if you have a Xiaomi phone, you also need to enable this other USB debugging, which is from security settings. Once you have enabled both of these, you gotta connect your phone to a PC. Once connected, you need to know the package name of the app you want to uninstall. The whole process is without any third-party tools. But to know the package names, we gotta go to Manage Apps page. Let's say I wanna uninstall Game Center. I'm gonna tap it. This will open up App Info. I'm gonna tap More. Here you'll see App Info again. This will show some additional info about the app, including the APK name or package name, which we need. So now we know it is com.xiaomi.glgm. After connecting your phone to your PC, open Windows PowerShell and type adb shell and hit enter. If you see a pop-up on your phone, hit allow, then type the second command, pm space uninstall space -k space --user space 0 space APK or package name. In this case is com.xiaomi.glgm because we want to uninstall the Game Center. The package name will change according to the app and the rest of the command will stay same.